What's up, everybody? It's Luke Kill2 here. Oh god, what? Oh god, it's him. And I'm back with another Minecraft. No.
We're not
unboxing video of the Steam controller.
Mine.
It costs that much for $50. Take this off. Nothing important.
Oh, I want this. It's mine now.
I need scissors. No, it's for mine.
Oh.
Go get that little knife. Just go get a knife.
Oh. Okay.
While he go get a knife, I will show you. Steam, the thingies, controller, object, and a $20 Steam card. This is what it looks like an Xbox controller buttons. Bottom, it comes with batteries. I don't. Yeah, this is inside.
Hi, I'm back.
Shows the making of the controller.
Here's.
So let's try to do this with one hand.
Do you want me to hold it or?
Yeah, you record me.
Okay, yeah, I'll record you just like I'm recording you just like.
Are you zooming in?
No, I'm like going over to.
Okay. And
Yeah, the same idea. Okay. That's okay.
This is huge. What?
That looks weird.
It is.
Does it feel weird?
Yeah.
Oh, here's like the USB
Thingy.
Yeah. We're so professional. We're so professional. So.
This feels so weird.
I don't even know if I was fully on camera, because I don't care.
It was.
Oh, it was? That's cool. Like, oh, huh. Yeah, that's just... But do you want to go back
Oh god, the back came off.
Do you want to go back to holding it now?
Why, your arm getting tired?
No, I just don't want to hold it.
I found where the batteries go.
And it's your channel, so...
Yeah.
You go back to hold
I found where the batteries go. They go in there and in
that's
there.
weird.
You switch this
is like,
at the bottom.
I want to hold this. It looks weird. Put the battery
This is what the controller looks like. Fully. Like Xbox One.
Like
button.
that's like Xbox One. This is like PS4 maybe. Oh.
Yeah, that feels
Like, it doesn't even have two little swirly things, so you can't play Call of Duty with it.
What do you think that's for?
Is that like the thing that you turn with?
Yeah.
That's weird.
Hold this.
Okay.
Gotta put the batteries in.
Yeah, I was thinking then. Wait, did you tell them about this?
Yeah.
Okay. No, that we only got it for $18.
Yeah, when you buy one of these controllers, you get that $2 off. Which
You get any kind of card, like $2 off.
I think.
We got this for 18. Okay, so as he puts the batteries in,
I think that's the right way. I'm not sure.
I'm gonna go put this back.
Yeah, I think this is the right way. I'm not sure. Oh, okay. I'm gonna just set this down like right here, so I can try to put these batteries. Hi.
I'm back. Oh yeah, that's pro gaming. Oh, I need water. We don't need echo.
Did you care to bring me one? As you just sit there and drink it. Okay, got the batteries in. Putting the back on. I think. This feels kind of cool. Yeah, it's just look like this. if you can't see it. Sorry. Get more into the box. There's, I think, a wireless linking cable that plugs into your computer. If you have this, I think. But I'm not sure. I think this cord plugs into the computer, into here. Yeah, I think it does. Not sure. Quick startup guide, protection guide. Let's go through the quick startup guide just real quick. Yeah, it does. See? Yeah. Well, that was the unboxing.